Do you want an easy chicken recipe that doesn't taste like shit? Of course you do. Don't fuck it up. I have no idea what this is called, but I came up with it when I used to smoke weed, and it's fucking awesome. Grab 4 chicken breasts. Take the tendies off, which is this part that hangs. Grab your chicken. You're gonna slice down the middle, not all the way through. You're gonna cut about 70% until it looks like this. Salt both sides. Are you using raw chicken on a wooden cutting board? Shut the fuck up. Grab a ripping hot pan and use a high smoke point oil. You're not cooking the chicken, you're just getting a sear on both sides. Take your chicken out. It should be completely raw on the inside. Grab 4 bell peppers and an onion. Dice it into small cubes. Same pan that the chicken was in. Cook it down for about 10 minutes. Just before you take your peppers off, you're gonna add a bunch of spinach. Your pan doesn't need to be on the heat at this point. Salt it. Grab your chicken and you're gonna stuff it with this mixture. It should look like this. Crush 4 garlic cloves. Throw them in there. Black peppercorn. About a cup and a half of 35% cream. Crumble a block of feta. You're gonna take the rest of your peppers and spinach and pour it over it. Like this. Oven, 450 degrees, 30 minutes. If this isn't the best chicken you've had, I'll give you your money back. You can make 20 of these at a time if you have a party, but you don't have any friends, so you can just eat it throughout the week. And that's how you make whatever the fuck this is called.